Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. Today, I just want to talk a little bit about part quality because really part quality is what matters, not the tool. It's really the tool surface quality that matters. That's what reflects on the part. If you're doing like a hair cell type material, tool surface quality isn't that critical, but if you're doing like a glossy black material thin, it's very critical. So we finish our tools at Catalysis whatever is needed for that application. So how we accomplish that better tool surface finish, we have a secondary coating that we apply in our tooling when it's necessary. Otherwise, we use our standard coating. It's 100 RA tool surface finish, 100% porous, so you get a very good quality pull of the complete surface. So we understand the part quality is number one for a customer, not the tool. But we do understand that the tool gives you that part quality. So if there's anything you want to hear us talk about, upcoming videos, just let us know. If it's cost or quality, whatever you want to hear from us, let us know.